Come over here a minute. I have to speak with you about something.
Oh my gosh! What's all this rush for, man? Why do you want to talk to me on the toilet?
I want to take a shower because I stink like crap and my water heater makes a hissing sound. I'm worried about this, so I thought you could tell me what the problem is, if any.
Well, did you check for snakes?
Haha, well, I have to say this is a good one, but seriously now. What can the problem be?
Well, there can be many problems. First of all, in some water heaters it's the pressure relief valve that's just releasing some excess pressure. I suggest that you get the main water valve looked at by a professional.
Really?
Yes, just think about it. If your water tank failed, and you had no way of shutting off your water supply, what would that cause in your home?
A complete mess.
Indeed. Now, you may also want to check your water meter, to see if it spins unusually, and if it does, then there are chances there's a water leak somewhere.
I see.
If I were you, I'd check the relief valve drain. On top of that, if you have a swamp cooler, you should know the copper pipes transfer noise, so it might be a cooler refilling itself.
This gets too complicated for someone like me, who has no experience in troubleshooting anything.
Well, it's not as hard as it sounds. And with that being said, this is all the help I can give you.
I see. Well, you've helped me more than I could have helped myself, so thank you for your time.
Hopefully it won't bite your pocketbook too much.
I also hope the same thing. Have a good day.